electrons, a water molecule dissociates into 2 hydrogen ions and half of an oxygen gas molecule. The oxygen later enters the atmosphere. Meanwhile, the electrons continue along the electron transport chain. As these excited electrons reduce plastoquinone, energy is released and used to move hydrogen ions across the membrane into the thylakoid interior. As hydrogen ions build up inside, they become a source of energy that is later used to make ATP. Electrons move from plastoquinone, which becomes oxidized, to cytochrome, which becomes reduced. The redox reactions continue as cytochrome passes electrons to plastocyanin. From plastocyanin, the electrons will replenish electrons that are lost from a chlorophyll molecule in photosystem 1. When photons strike photosystem 1, the light energy is absorbed and transferred to a chlorophyll molecule in the reaction center. With each photon, the chlorophyll molecule donates an excited electron to an electron acceptor. Electrons from plastocyanin replenish the electrons lost from the chlorophyll molecule. Excited electrons from photosystem 1 are used to reduce ferredoxin. NADP reductase then uses 2 electrons from ferredoxin and 2 protons from the stroma to reduce NADP+, producing NADPH and hydrogen. NADPH is later used to fuel the energy-consuming sugar production stage of photosynthesis. During these light reactions, hydrogen ions accumulate in the thylakoid interior. These ions will have a tendency to move to regions of lower hydrogen concentration outside the thylakoid, moving by means of a pore in ATP synthase. This movement powers the production of ATP, which fuels later stages of photosynthesis.